Distributed users, cloud systems, regulated workflows, and time-sensitive approvals leave little room for support delays. When a payroll user is locked out or a controller cannot reach billing software, the impact is not just technical. Work stalls. Victor Liu, president of Link High Technologies, puts it this way: remote support works best when every ticket shows urgency, business impact, affected users, and the next escalation path before the first troubleshooting step begins. That is the core idea. Remote IT support is not only about faster troubleshooting. It helps reduce stalled approvals, invoice delays, downtime, and recurring issues that keep returning without a clear owner. For daily business continuity, remote support can move access issues, software errors, endpoint troubleshooting, and security alerts into triage quickly. It also improves visibility when phone, email, chat, monitoring, and portal tickets flow into one process. That makes patterns easier to spot and escalations clearer. Remote support is especially important for distributed users and hybrid teams. Users at home, in clinics, at warehouses, or at client sites may need access restored to Microsoft 365, VPN, and cloud applications. Forrester found that 32% of respondents with Windows 365 experience said their organizations could provide access to applications and files for new and acquired employees and contractors at least 4 days faster. To go deeper, read the full article on our website and add this to your playlist.